Hey, what's going on? I got a quick 10-minute ab workout that we're gonna get done. Yes, I know there are like a 10 million ab workouts and 5-minute abs out there, but none of them have me in it. So I need you to stay tuned. We're gonna get some abs. We're gonna work on some core. All you need is an ab mat. They're not a sponsor, so I'm not gonna show them. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace! Woo! Hey, if you like what you saw, you like that 10-minute workout, you like the information, the banter back and forth, the fitness topics information, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to talk about, and stay tuned till next time. I'll see y'all later. Peace! Woo!